I wanna be a billionaire, so
Welcome
freaking
to Napa
bad.
Valley.
But all of the things I know.
My name is Adriano Araújo and this is the Million Miler Club. In this episode, the girls visited Domain Chandon.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah.
After a healthy
and the
meal at
Queen.
In-N-Out, they headed to Napa Valley with Aunt Magda.
Eu tava lá e você pega um ônibus que te levam pra fazenda.
55 minutes from Port Madeira. Domain Chandon was the destination where they could taste the sparkling wines of the famous brand.
Só de garrafa, eu tô impressionada.
How that works?
So we could do, you could do either tastings today, or you could do by the glass or by the bottle on this side over here. On the tastings, we'll pour one at a time. You're able to go outside or go anywhere in the property, enjoy it, and then
How
come back
much is
to
per
the
person tasting?
It just depends on which one you get. The price are going to be on this side. So if you're going to do the classic, it's 20. Reserve is 3 for 25. 2 for 25. They're all different.
Vocês querem fazer tasting ou vocês querem tomar by glass? Tasting. Vamos fazer tasting? Então, você faz tasting para 3, vou pegar uma.
Se eu beber um glass só.
Não, não vou beber um glass, vou beber by glass.
After choosing their drinks,
Garotas, a vocês. Tudo certo, ok?
Amém.
they picked up their food and went outside to visit the beautiful landscape. The realization of a great friendship with some wine and good food in Napa Valley has been just a perfect weekend. In the desert, between the vines, the girls and Aunt Magda had the best of time.
Não, ela, talvez. Acho que ela é